If your Samsung top-load washer is making loud noises, not spinning or agitating correctly, or leaving your clothes too wet, the clutch and TMR assembly could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing this essential part. Don't worry if this is your first time wearing appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's task. A Phillips and flathead screwdriver, 10mm, 13mm, and 17mm sockets, pliers, an adjustable wrench, a block of wood, and a hammer. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. Inspect the clutch and TMR assembly for a damaged or excessively worn clutch arm and clutch gear. If either are damaged or excessively worn, replace the clutch and TMR assembly. If the clutch and TMR assembly looks good, something else is causing your washer to not agitate properly. Next, grab your 10mm socket again and loosen the motor bolts to remove the drive belt. Remove the clutch bracket bolts and set both the bolts and the bracket aside. Set the washer upright. Grab your flathead screwdriver and lift up the pulsator cap. Using a 10mm socket, remove the pulsator mounting bolt, lift the pulsator out, and set it to the side. Grab your adjustable wrench and hammer. Remove the tub nut by rotating it clockwise using the wrench and hammer. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. Disconnect the TMR wire connection. Remove the cotter pin and disconnect the shift actuator link from the clutch arm. Grab your 13mm socket and remove the clutch and TMR assembly mounting bolts. Pull the assembly out and set it aside. If your assembly is difficult to remove, like this one, grab a block of wood and a hammer and gently tap from the tub side to drive it out. Here's the old clutch and TMR assembly, and here's the new one. If you already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the clutch and TMR assembly into place and secure it with the 13mm bolts. Secure the clutch arm link onto the assembly. Connect the wires and shift actuator link. Reinstall the drive belt, then lift up on the motor to create proper belt tension while tightening the motor bolts. Secure the clutch assembly bracket. Set the washer upright and secure the spin basket with the tub nut. Set the pulsator into place, secure it with the mounting bolt, and snap the pulsator cap back on. Connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job tackling that clutch and TMR assembly replacement on your Samsung top-load washer. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you need any parts, just visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your washer's model number. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through the process. We look forward to helping you with your next repair adventure.